Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to turn off limits on Instagram mobile. So let's get started. Open up Instagram, go to your profile, tap on profile, the bottom right corner, then go to main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner, then go to settings, open up privacy, and here you will see limits. Tap on limits, then go to continue. And here you will see accounts that are not follow you. Just swipe the slider to the left side. This account may be spam, fake, or created to harass you. And then recent followers. Here you just don't touch this option and then just tap on turn on. Now you turn on limits.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.